What is up, guys? Welcome back to Tech Man. Today, I'm going to show you on how you can get free dice rolls and Monopoly Go. To start this tutorial, let's first download the Monopoly Go app on your App Store if you are on Apple device, or Google Play Store if you are on Android. After downloading the app, go to your device settings and make sure that you have temporarily disabled your low power mode on your iOS and your power saving mode if you're on Android. After that, open up a browser on your device, then search for this. It will redirect you to this page, and in here, it shows that this mod will require to be injected on your Monopoly Go app. Simply click the Proceed button and click the Inject option in the pop-up. Wait for it to finish injecting. And once it is finished, then open your Monopoly Go app and check for your shop, where you will receive the free dice rolls to play the game. That's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.